Hi everyone, this is my 1974 Model U 4007 Hoover Deluxe Convertible. This is the machine that I grew up with as a child from my earliest memories as a baby all the way up until my late teens. And we're going to start out down here where I saw mine for the first time, as this is not the same unit, but as you can see, it says custom convertible on the headlight lens, and it's even prettier to me when it's on. And of course I would lay on the floor and watch my mom vacuum with the unit. And so here we go, turning on the unit. Isn't that cool? Custom convertible by Hoover. This was a B-line model cleaner, as there was the A-line, which was the Hoover Convertible Elite Estate, and my mom bought hers brand new in June of 1974 after she got married. So now that we've seen the unit and its funky retro bag, let's do a bit of vacuuming. This unit, literally, as soon as I turn it on, it takes me back to childhood. It sounds the same, vacuums the same, and does a fairly good job. Well, it does an excellent job on carpeting. And I'm very fortunate to have one of these now, thanks to a very kind friend who gave this to me recently when I went to visit him. I never thought I'd see another one. So my mom got hers at Knapp's department store in Lansing, Michigan. And we'll do a little bit of profile. Because this was Hoover's B-line model cleaner, it was less than $100. And that would make sense because knowing my mother, she would never spend a lot of money on a vacuum. And if we get this towards the light, it has a 4-position height adjustment. And for 1974, the Hoover line was pretty much at its zenith. There really was very little left to do to it. And of course, this machine was made all the way up until 1992 under various colors, when the convertible line was finally discontinued. So there is one of my top faves. And again, I wish to thank my very dear friend for letting me have a piece of my childhood again. And thank you everyone for watching.